If you love hitting the trails, the right gear makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best ultralight trekking poles to keep you steady, fast, and comfortable on any adventure. Let's find the perfect pair for you. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Trekology Trekking Poles. For hikers who demand both durability and convenience, the Trekology trekking poles deliver a dependable solution for tackling any trail. These poles stand out with their thoughtful design that prioritizes user comfort and performance. The Trekzy ergonomic trekking poles are built with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, offering lightweight, compact support in a versatile package. The natural cork grips are a standout feature, efficiently wicking moisture away from your hands during long hikes, keeping them dry and reducing the risk of blisters. Below the cork handles, EVA foam shafts provide a reliable grip in various all-terrain conditions, which is ideal for everything from rocky inclines to muddy paths. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, these trekking poles boast durability that exceeds many carbon fiber models. This high-grade material ensures the poles can withstand heavy pressure and rugged environments without compromising strength. The enhanced joints, now reinforced with metal caps, give added security and reduce the risk of poles collapsing mid-hike. Whether navigating steep descents or powering uphill, these poles are built to absorb impact and offer stable support. One of the most convenient aspects of the Trekology trekking poles is their collapsible, trifold design. Folding down to a compact 15 inches, they're perfect for fitting into a backpack, duffel, or carry-on luggage, making them a superb option for hikers who travel. This portability makes them equally practical for urban treks, allowing you to build strength and stability during casual walks or errands. Designed to appeal to both seasoned hikers and casual outdoor enthusiasts, they also make an excellent gift for those who appreciate practical and thoughtful hiking gear. Number 2. TrailBuddy Trekking Poles. TrailBuddy trekking poles are a solid option for hikers seeking durable, easy-to-use trekking gear that performs well in a wide variety of conditions. Designed with both beginners and experienced adventurers in mind, these poles are crafted from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum, offering a strong, impact-resistant structure that's also lightweight. Weighing in at nearly 4 ounces less than standard trekking poles, they reduce fatigue and are ideal for extended hikes or challenging terrain. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or walking through snow, these poles are ready for the challenge. One of the standout features of the TrailBuddy poles is their adjustable length, ranging from 24.5 inches when collapsed to a maximum of 54 inches. This makes them suitable for all heights, including kids, and allows for quick, customized height changes depending on the terrain. The lever lock system makes adjusting the height incredibly simple, requiring only one hand to lock or release the pole, far easier and faster than older twist lock models. This makes them perfect for situations where fast terrain shifts call for quick pole length adjustments. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic cork handles mold to the shape of your hand and wick away moisture to keep your grip secure and dry. In addition, the padded wrist straps help reduce strain during long-distance hikes and offer extra control. The tips are threaded to securely hold accessories like snow or mud baskets, and everything stays locked in place, even through challenging environments. Number 3. Montem 2 Trekking Poles. If you're searching for a lightweight yet durable trekking pole option that won't empty your wallet, the Montem 2 trekking poles are a standout choice. These poles have earned recognition from Backpacker magazine as the best affordable carbon pole on the market, and after putting them through their paces, it's clear why. Crafted from 100% carbon fiber, the same material trusted by NASA, each pole weighs just 7.6 ounces, striking a perfect balance between feather-light handling and ultra-strong support. When you're tackling long-distance hikes or steep, uneven trails, having a reliable pole that doesn't add unnecessary weight to your pack makes a huge difference, and Montem delivers on that front effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Montem 2 trekking poles is their adjustable quick lock system. This mechanism allows users to quickly and securely adjust the length of each pole from 24 to 53 inches, making it easy to find the perfect fit whether you're climbing uphill, descending steep slopes, or trekking across level ground. The adjustment process is straightforward and can be done on the fly, a convenience that frequent hikers and backpackers will appreciate. Comfort is another strong point for these trekking poles. The padded straps provide a secure, ergonomic grip that minimizes hand fatigue on longer hikes while also preventing accidental drops. It's a small but crucial detail that enhances the overall hiking experience. Number 4. Hunger Carbon Fiber Poles. If you're looking for a high-performance trekking pole made with serious hikers in mind, the Hunger Carbon Fiber Poles are a standout option. Each pole weighs just 7.6 ounces, thanks to its 3K 100% carbon fiber construction. This ultralight build helps reduce arm fatigue and energy output over long distances, making your treks more efficient and enjoyable. Unlike heavier aluminum poles, these carbon fiber ones strike an excellent balance between strength and agility, allowing you to move faster across the trail. Comfort is clearly a design priority with these poles. The ergonomic cork grips conform to the natural shape of your hands while wicking away moisture to keep your grip dry and secure. For steep climbs and sudden terrain changes, the EVA foam grip extension below the main cork handle gives you extra versatility. Neoprene-padded wrist straps are a thoughtful touch, offering softness and preventing chafing even after long hours of use. Stability is another area where these poles shine. With flip-lock lever technology and metal hardware, not plastic, the locking system is sturdy and far less prone to slipping than twist or foldable designs. The poles extend from 24 to 55 inches, making them ideal for hikers of all sizes, whether adults or kids. Their secure locking system ensures they'll stay in place, even under stress, adding confidence to every step. Number 5. Foxelli Fiber Trekking Pole. The Foxelli Fiber Trekking Pole offers a perfect mix of strength, lightweight design, and all-terrain versatility. Weighing just 7.6 ounces per pole, these are crafted from 100% carbon fiber, which makes them incredibly light without compromising strength or durability. The shock-absorbing nature of carbon fiber reduces the strain on your joints and helps prevent fatigue during long hikes or steep ascents. Whether you're tackling mountainous trails or strolling through forest paths, these poles are built to last. Comfort is at the forefront of Foxelli's design. The ergonomic cork grips naturally mold to your hand and wick away moisture, keeping your hands dry and blister-free. For added convenience and control during steep climbs, the EVA foam grip extension provides extra handling options. Adjustable padded wrist straps further enhance the comfort level, offering support while preventing chafing and allowing for secure all-day use. With a retractable length range of 24 to 55 inches, these poles are ideal for men, women, and kids of all heights. The lever-lock system allows for quick and easy adjustments on the trail without needing extra tools. This makes the poles versatile across changing terrain and conditions. Whether you're ascending a steep slope or navigating downhill, the firm locks and customizable height help you maintain stability.